Your kit includes a protective glass shield and a metal stand. First, peel the red tape off the metal stand. Then, line up the glass so that it is flush with the ends of the metal stand. Press down on the glass to ensure that it sticks to the tape on the metal stand. Peel the protective paper off the metal stand. For a side-facing cashier stand, line up the shield on the side with the tray slide. Make sure it is flush with the edge of the stand itself. You may place your computer equipment on the metal stand. The key card should fit at the end of the stand or on the tray slide. For a front-facing cashier stand, place the protective shield like so. Make sure it is flush with the edges of the stand itself. The metal stand will have a cutout to leave the cord opening clear. The key card should fit at the end of the tray slide. Shields with small openings at the bottom will follow the same instructions.